Yeah, hello, yes, I welcome you all to my phone screen. I'm Crypto Lord, and I welcome you all to my channel. So if you're watching me from YouTube, please subscribe, and if you're watching me from TikTok, please make sure that you follow me for more. Yeah. So on today's episode, I want to show you how you can easily do P2P arbitrage on Bybit using Ghana Cedis. This video is done. This video was done basically for Ghanaians. Yeah, because I've done one for Nigerians and this one is for Ghanaians. Yeah. So if you're new to P2P trading or crypto trading, so after register on Bybit, I will leave my Bybit referral link over there so you can join it and sign up. So after register on the Bybit wallet, you have to register and verify everything. So after verifying it, you have to deposit money in your Bybit wallet, and that one, this is how you do it. You go to your mall and you go to P2P. So the P2P, you have to buy the coin. So you have to buy the USDT. At times when you switch it to there, it will be in the dollar. So you have to click here and switch it to Ghana cedis. Yeah. So it means that right now, if I want to buy one USDT, I will spend 14.52 Ghana cedis to buy one USDT from this Make Peace Ventures. Yeah, and his limit is from $100 to 200 Ghana cedis to 299. That's 300 cedis. So if you want to buy 500 Ghana cedis, you can buy the coin from this person. So you have to find a person who is going in for a larger amount. Yeah. So this one too is from 100 cedis to 1,002, and the rate is 14.54 Ghana cedis. And this is how we do it. The P2P arbitrage trading is like you buying it at a lower rate and selling it at a higher rate, buying it at a lower rate and selling it at a higher rate. Yeah, so you don't have to be fast. Anytime you can buy it and hold it and sell it at a higher rate. But let me show you this thing. So imagine if I'm buying it from this person, it's 14.54 Ghana cedis to get one USDT. So if I come to the buy here, so if I want to buy 1,000 Ghana cedis, I'll get, the person does have that amount. So let's say 100 Ghana cedis. I'll get, let me go to like 500 Ghana cedis. So 500 Ghana cedis, I'll get 34.38 USDT. You see that thing for 500 Ghana cedis? Yeah. So imagine if I'm buying 500 Ghana cedis over here and getting 34.38. Baby, like, so if I'm buying 500 Ghana cedis and getting 34.38 USDT, for me to get profit, I have to get more than the money I spent. Yeah, so I have 34.38 right now. Yeah, so then I'll go to sell. So sell, one thing about arbitrage is there's no rules governing it. So you can have Momo without phone cash or bank accounts in all. Is right then. So this person is selling it or buy my coin for 15.54 Ghana cedis, and the limit is from 50 cedis to 2,000 cedis. So if I click on sell over here, you can see that I have to add my payment method. You see, because I've already added my Momo, so I have to add my payment method. Then you add your bank account and everything over here, the branch, the bank name over here. Then I will input the 36.38 Ghana cedis I bought. So if I'm selling this thing, the 36.38 Ghana cedis dollars that I bought with 500 Ghana cedis, if I'm selling it right now, I'll be getting 61.7 as profit. So it means that I spent 500 Ghana cedis and I go 61.7 Ghana cedis as profit. So imagine repeating this thing for long. It means that you are earning money. So people say, oh, milk I have only Momo. No, Charlie, it's business. So you just have to have bank accounts, Momo, Vodafone Cash. When you see that opportunity, then you make good use of it. Is right then. Yeah. So you can also choose to do with, let's say, this person is 14.49. So if, but the amount that is like ready to spend is what, 8 USDT. So it's very small. Is right then. Yeah. So it means that you have to go in for person with what higher this thing. This one too is what, so let me say 38. I'm getting 28 as well, 36 series as well as profits per one trade. Yeah. So if you're in Ghana, this is how you do your P2P trading with your Ghana Cedis. Yeah. You just have to deposit and sell it. Deposit and sell it. That's how it is. Yeah. So after that, then you sell it and you get your money straight to your bank account or your Momo account or your Vodafone Cash or Tele Cash. Is that thing? Yeah. So this is how you do your P2P trade. And if you want more assistance, you can DM me for my mentorship. It's not free. Yeah, my mentorship is $100. Yeah, for 1 year. Yeah. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching me. And please, people are using my name to scam people. I will not be a first person to chat to you about mentorship or about blah 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 blah. I don't do that. Yeah. So this is how it is. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out.